Hi family, my name is Melita. If you don't know that because you're new here. So in this tutorial, I will be doing needle and yarn flat twist updo with kinky book hair extension. So we're gonna start by parting out my hair. My hair is like a few days old. I just been having it in a bun, and I was like, it's time to actually get it into some sort of protective styling, because what protective styling is when your hair is away, but not just away, but your ends. That's what I consider protective styling, and I'm sure that's what everyone believe protective styling is. So when your natural hair is away, your hands are out of it, but your ends are also protected and out of the way. So with that being said, I still want to feel like my natural hair is still out, and this is where this kinky book hair comes in handy. I am so glad I came across the hair. Like, I bought a few more packs again just to keep on here for whenever I need it. So as you see in there, I already sectioned out that hair, the front portion, and put it away, and now I am sectioning out the back. So I got two equal sections. Well, they might not be as even, but I got two sections. You get the gist. And I'm just trying to clean out the part as neat as I can, and once I feel like it's well clean, I'm gonna go ahead and put those away. Now I'm gonna work on the front. I'm going in with my oil just to make sure, again, my hair is nice and moist before putting it in the protective style. Now I'm starting to part the front, and I'm gonna braid it, because what we're gonna do later on is to crochet the book hair in. So I'm just gonna go ahead and braid. Listen, you don't have to be like me and go ahead and braid all the way down, because we're going to be putting those away later on. So I soon realized that, girl, you didn't have to do all that, but it is what it is. If you're neat freak like me, you can go ahead. All right. And this is a simple hairstyle, not that much time consuming, and it also really look nice. You guys are gonna see the end result. So let's just go ahead and keep braiding. Okay, so you're gonna need your shine and gem, guys. Every braider loves shine and gem, and that's the yarn. Sorry that you could barely see the needle, but that's the plastic needle. I will leave the link for you guys, and all I'm doing there is applying my shine and gem just to make sure that is nice and sleek, and the hairstyle looks fresh after. So now we're gonna go ahead and start doing the needle and yarn flat twist. So as you see in there, I did the other side already. So now you're going to take the needle, pass it through, pull it out, and to tie the knot, you will take the end of that yarn, that very end, and put it with your hair. That's how you get it secure instead of tying an actual knot. So now you're just gonna go get it as close together as possible. As you can see there, I'm doing it by myself, so it can get a little complicated, but nothing serious. So just keep your finger, your index finger on there, just to direct you a little bit. That's what I'm doing there. And you just go ahead and pass the needle through and out. The needle and yarn flat twist is easy, like the easiest compared to the cornrows actually. And if you do not know how to do regular flat twist, I'm telling you, this is for you. This is for you. And if you do not have patience or the time, like sometimes I just want to like and get it nice and neat and over, because sometimes I have to like do 2 to 3 try before I get my regular flat twist right. But with the needle and yarn flat twist, 1 try and I am them out of the way. So I really like it. It's very easy, simple, and it's gentle on your natural hair. And as you can see that I'm not wrapping the hair around, I'm not doing any kind of thing to the hair. The hair is just in its natural state. I'm just going through and it's twist itself as you go. So you can pull it as tight as you want or as loose as you want. All right, and look at how neat and just nice it looks. Okay, so once I got it secure for the last time, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. When you're cutting it, please be careful because you don't want to cut your hair, do you? No, I didn't think so. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and braid it up. Okay, part in 3 section, braid it up, and once I'm done braiding it, I will just go ahead and tuck it in. Okay, so just go ahead there and tuck and tuck it. Okay, so that's what it looks like in the back, you guys, and that's the Kinky book hair. You guys seen this hair before, and snip that straight ends off. Okay, we got it straight, and the hair has 5 bundles in the pack, and each bundle already comes sectioned out with like 4 pieces of hair. So now we're gonna crochet the hair in, so that's what's gonna give us that fro in the front. Okay, so we're just gonna crochet it in, or I'm gonna crochet it in. I mean, I feel like you guys are working with me at this point. That's why I'm like we because we're in this together, aren't we? Okay, so as I'm crocheting it in, I will first start doing the front and the back, and then I'm gonna leave the middle open for now, just in case it's too full and stuff like that. All right, if you don't understand what I'm saying, just watch. You will see exactly what I'm talking about. All right, so yeah, that's what I'm doing, and crocheting the hair in. I use less than a pack because I use only 2 bundles out of the 1 pack, and on this 3 bundles left for another hairstyle coming your way soon. Be on the lookout. But meanwhile, hopefully you guys have plans for this Thanksgiving. I know with everything going on, we can't even have families around, so but I mean, with the family members that you already have in the house, you guys do something, be grateful. A lot happened this year of 2020, but there's also a lot to be grateful for. I'm telling you, we still have life. We can still make a lot of things happen. The possibility is endless, so let's just be grateful. All right, so I am crocheting on top of my natural hair that I put in the bun just to cover it up, and I'm gonna go ahead and crochet all around it as well. So that's the second bundle that I'm going into to make it even fuller. Yeah, so that's what I was talking about there. You're seeing in the middle. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some more hair. Okay, so after I fill in the middle, that's what the hair looks like, and I'm gonna go back in the back section just to add a little bit more so that our little bun that the hair we tucked away is as seamless as it can be. And I will leave the link down below for you guys, and go ahead and pick it. Okay, get your Afro pick out like it's your own. Can you see that, you guys? You can just, I really like this hair, and I got it from Amazon if I didn't mention already. All right guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I went ahead and changed up my lipstick, and I love how this look turns out. It is beautiful. Happy Thanksgiving if you see this on before or whatever. Hope you stay safe, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.